Dance party. Now, before we get this party started, we need to go over some important dance party safety rules.
My job to make sure everybody here at the Disney Junior Dance Party moves their body. If you all are ready for rise out there, let's hear you scream. Okay, so let's have all of our kid friends stand on up because we have some dance moves to learn.
Oh, yeah.
Dance moves. Rub it arms like this and see it.
See, very nice. All right, next we're gonna jump like this. Jump, jump. Everybody jump, jump,
Okay,
jump,
you got
jump.
that nice right there. Now, we're gonna roll it out. We're gonna have a party, but for me and you. Oh yeah!
You make us the dance just because you want to.
Okay, I stand away. Too bad. We wanna see this song.
Get wacky.
It's silly. Everybody freestyle. Y'all about to be real mad at me. DJ, I forgot to invite Mickey and the Roadster racers to the dance party. Oh, this is bad. You can't have a Disney Junior dance party without Mickey and Minnie and Donald and Goofy and Daisy.
Calm down. We can just call them. See?
Well, what if we get the voice? He's busy. He doesn't pick up. He picked up.
Hello? Hi, Mickey. We're just calling to invite you and the gang to our Disney Junior dance party.
Dance party? Someone say dance party?
Oh, I love to shake my groove thing.
Sure, we'd love to come. What time does the party start?
Right now.
Now?
It really is all my fault, and I'm sorry.
Don't worry, pal. We can be there in no time.
You can?
Sure we can. We're the Roadster Racers. Come on, racers. Let's get to that party.
Hey, everyone, grab your steering wheel!
We're gonna rock out for adventures.
Mickey and the Roadster Racer. Come on, Mickey and the Roadster, Mickey and the Roadster Racer. Yeah, you're the Roadster. Mickey and the Roadster Racer. Mickey and the Roadster Racer.
Okay, everyone, Mickey and the gang are gonna be here real soon.
But first, it's time to bring out one of our Disney Junior stars. Drum roll, please. It's Vampirina.
Hey, Steve. Hey, Gregoria.
Hello.
Hi, Minnie. Wait, no. Because you grow up too fast. See, they grow up so fast, don't they?
Thanks for joining us, Beat.
Oh boy, I want to come do some chilly moves with you.
And come and dance with us.
Ooh, that would be so cool.
All right, everybody, it's
time to do our special Bring 'em in spin. Put on your imaginary headphones and spin.
Thanks for spinning me in. Can we do a spooktacular dance with you?
Of course!
What dance should we do? The Wolfman Waltz.
I like to wear the monster mambo. Hey!
The zombie
I won't dance. Don't ask me.
Dance? Why not, Gregoria?
I'm 473 years old and made of stone. I'm more of a sitter.
No, but everybody at the Disney Junior Dance Party has to dance. Right, everyone?
If they have cement feet, they don't.
What if we were going to dance the spine chiller?
Good idea. The spine chiller.
No ghoul or gargoyle can resist it.
Come on, everyone. Do these monster moves with us. And here we go.
Monster, monster, monster. Claw, claw, spooky walk. Spooky walk, spooky walk. Let's stop. Feel like dancing yet, Gregoria?
No, I'm steady as a rock.
I don't know. I think I saw those feet moving.
Oh, who am I kidding? I need to do the spine chiller. And bang.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Monster, monster, bummy hit. Claw, claw, spider jump. Spooky walk, spooky walk. Big foot stomp. This rock is ready to roll.
Okay.
I don't really have a body, but my spirit wants the boogie.
Now that we're all dancing, let's move our bodies like it's Dancylvania Day.
Fantastic. What is that?
It's the haunted holiday that makes you hustle. Listen. Once a year in Transylvania, every spider, spook, and bug gets a taste of dancing mania. They all let loose and come around. Come dance it out on Dancylvania Day.
We twist and shout the Transylvania way. Come put your monster dance moves on display. Come dance it out on Transylvania Day.
Let's see your spine chiller move.
All right, everybody, let's do the spine chiller.
Monster, monster, monster.
Claw, claw, spider jump. Very nice.
Spooky walk, spooky walk.
Big foot stop. Spooktacular, everyone.
You all ready? Let's go crazy.
Come looking down on Dancylvania Day. We take it down the Transylvania way. To Monster Street or do the zombie sway. Come on, get down on Dancylvania Day. Thanks, everyone. Dancing with you is unbelievable.
Oh, I love Dancylvania Day.
See you later.
Bye, Pookie. Bye, Victoria.
Hi, Debbie.
Bye, friends.
That was so much fun right there. Pull you out, please. Pull you out. You gotta go.
All right, Mickey, how's it going?
We're not there yet, but we're going as fast as we can.
I got something that can get us to the party. The master.
What's that, Pookie?
Don't worry, everybody. We'll all come by soon.
Next Disney Junior star, Finn. Tell him who it is.
I have no idea, but these bubbles are on point.
Stop, McStuffins.
It's chocolate stuff.
Hi, everyone.
Everyone, Doc's here. Let's spin docking with our special Bring 'em in spin. You all know what to do out there. Hands up in those imaginary headphones and let's spin. Doc, spin.
We're so happy to be here.
Yes, let's boogie down.
I love dancing.
I even made up my own dance. It's the Chili Chili Cha-Cha! A little cha-cha music, if you please.
Coming right up.
Yeah, DJ. Yeah, DJ. Yeah, we know the song. Let everybody clap your hands.
I gotcha, no cha-cha.
Why Why not, Cha?
Because it's so warm, I feel like I'm going to melt.
No. Oh, Chili. You know, someone's gonna have to do something before Chili melts. We can't just let him melt.
Chili's not a real snowman.
It doesn't matter. We still use our help, right? Well, there was someone. Hi, my boots. Excuse me. Somebody out there that can figure out how to help Chili because he's no melt.
You guys, who can help Chili?
I'm not qualified.
Doc McStuffins! Thank you!
Stop it.
I have a diagnosis.
What is it, Doc?
You have warm and toastiosis.
Oh no! What's that?
Is it serious?
Is it contagious?
Don't worry, Chili. It just means you need something to make you cold to do the chili cha-cha.
But what could make a snowman cold?
How about snow?
That would work.
Yeah, you want to see some snow? Yeah. You want me to see some snow?
Vampirina and all her friends, we got to meet Doc and all her friends. This has been a totally awesome Disney Junior Dance Party, am I right?
Wait, the Disney Junior Dance Party is almost over and Mickey and the Roadster Racers still aren't here yet.
So they're never gonna make it all as lost, but we should go home, right?
No, we can't give up like that, can
Give
we?
up like this. This is how you give up.
No, you want to see the Roadster Racers, don't you? Yes. Okay, you're gonna have to cheer really loud for them like this.
Okay.
Roadster Racer.
Got it.
Roadster Racer. Roadster Racer. Roadster Racer.
Great teamwork, everyone. Another possibility, be careful, you're gonna get soaked when I ride this boat.
Right outside.
Straight from our screen, except now.
Okay, we're gonna need to spin it real fast, everybody. Let's go. Let's spin it.
Hey, I'm so excited.
Let's dance!
Okay.
Everybody get here! Come on!
Let's cheer! It's time to celebrate. Get up, start playing, feel the groove. Get ours and